business. They're able to surpass us. You know why? Where coffee grows, cocoa will grow. And Kenyans know how to do fertility management of coffee. They actually challenge the crop to yield. And you know, if the crop gets stressed, the flowers will come. And that's the trick. It gets stressed at the time when there's like a shortage of moisture in the soil. It will bring flowers. So what the agronomist is telling us is true, that the yield will be maybe at that particular period not as heavy as at the peak, but you will harvest throughout. Now the other thing was whether it is seasonal or annual. I think for the agronomists, they would want you to say it is perennial, it is long-term. The annuals are these short-term crops, 90 days and you harvest. So this is a permanent crop. Now for Uganda, interestingly, cocoa was there, but because where coffee grows, cocoa will grow. So they just cut it down because of sentiments or because the markets were not so good at a particular time. But West Africa, if they cut it, the options are few, you know. So they still maintain it, and that's why they've been the biggest producers of the crop globally. Now for Uganda, it is companies like ICAM that are increasing, diversifying the production area from Bundibujo. Ours as a country has been Bundibujo, accounting for 70%, with some little bit of cross-border trade. Okay, not little, but I would want to say little because I don't know the volume that comes from Congo. They have some cocoa as well. Yeah. So I want to assure you, you are the biggest user of this value-added industry. So I don't think you are going wrong. And Bungoma, the soils I think are nearly the same. The opportunities around the cocoa, even the exporter personnel, you find there are several Kenyans in there. Like you had the Hass avocado. They will tell you that the biggest move of Hass avocado from here is a company also with roots in Kenya, I think around eastern Uganda. I thank you.
Yes.
So one, what is the lifespan of a cocoa tree? And two, in terms of flavor development, what are the biggest nutrient demands for this tree?
Okay. Like cocoa can last, because let me give you an example. At our home we have cocoa, but it was planted by my grandfather, and we are still harvesting. So those are around 50 plus years. It can even go up to around 100 years, depending on the management. Yes, if it grows like it is too much, you just stamp. It rejuvenates. Getting. Okay. Yes. Then the issue to do with
nutrients, nutrition for flavor.
Okay, for flavor, you know, there is nothing much that is required. Because for us, as you grow this cocoa, and it normally grows by natural factors, as you're planting, a few farmers, nothing much is required because its flavor is just natural. Yes, please.
You can eat it raw. You can eat it raw.
It is like eating it
raw.
No, you can't eat it raw. You will only eat the mucilage. The children, it is sweet. The brix is high, so there's sugar around the bean. But the bean itself, you cannot eat it raw. It has some bitterness, and I don't think that is attractive to man. But in terms of flavor profile, you will not add any artificially induced management to get that. Just improve nutrition, which I think is more of soil management practices, and the best are the organic practices, because this is a forest crop. Now the other thing is there are varieties, and for me, I'm not an expert. He will tell us which is the Forastero, which is the Criollo, but I know globally the most expensive type of cocoa is coming from Peru. It's called white cocoa, but the rest are these Criollo, Forastero, and yeah. So you will talk about that because I've been lost in coffee. So coffee, we can talk about Ruiru 11, Batian, we can talk about SL14, SL28, and all the others. But for cocoa, I'm also here to know which one sells. In terms of weight, I'm keen to hear which one is heavier, and I can get a premium from you. The certification bit, we can learn from the Kenyan side, because that is possible. The rainforest and the like. I thank you.
So can I allow you guys to move to where we can see some cocoa? Like fruit on this side. Just follow me. You continue.